Hey guys, it's Emma the Creative Gem back with another video, and today is episode 3 of celebrating Black History Month with me. This video, I'm going to be more candid, more one-on-one talk, because I am doing the 23&Me Ancestry Test today. Here it is. Here's the box it came in. It's called Welcome to You Saliva Test Kit. So inside, I really didn't open it yet. I just kind of wanted to wait for the video. This is what it looks like inside. It's a little welcome thing. So this says hi. How to use the test tube. Instructions on how to use the test tube. Important information you need to read before you take the test. How to start it on the app. So I'm going to install the app. What else? How to register your kit. And then prep. So the prep for this is basically you cannot eat or drink or brush your teeth or anything basically with the mouth for 30 minutes prior to taking the sample. And it looks like you fill it to the line, and then you close the funnel, and then you screw on the cap, seal the bag, and then you send it off. Pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Next to the box is this DNA Hooray. It's basically just coupons that you can use online to get your next kit. It doesn't look like it has a expiration date, so that's good. But basically, if I want to use another kit or if I want to recommend it for somebody, I can just simply use these coupons. Next, it's a small test kit. It's not that big. It looks like this. It's already sterile. And that's what it looks like inside. And that's pretty much it. And this box is reusable. So all I have to do is put the test kit back in and then resend it back to them. I'm going to go ahead and download the app on my tablet. Meanwhile, I'm going to try to answer some questions for you guys about why I'm doing this and why now. So the first question I wrote down, yes, I wrote down some questions just in case I forgot. But I wrote down some questions, and the first one, it says, why am I doing this test? I am doing this test because obviously I want to know who I am. But I really don't know who I am. I don't know what I'm made up of. I don't know like my background, where my ancestors came from, what country I'm from. I don't really know any of that. I know like a little bit. I just know I have some relatives down south, maybe on the West Coast. And that's pretty much it. I think she's always talking, guys. She's always talking. But anyway, yeah, I just want to know my background. Like, I'm from Trinidad. I know I'm from Africa, but what part of Africa? You know, just those little details to get some clarity and some, you know, who doesn't want to know who they are, where they're from. All right, so while this is downloading, I'm just going to answer another question. I wrote down, how will this affect you? That's a good question. I am really excited to know, like, my background and where I came from. And I don't know how it's going to impact me. I think I'm going to be pretty excited. There's going to be some clarity. I'm mainly going to be excited to probably share my results with everybody, meaning my family, and also my friends. Because I do get a lot of questions sometimes from like friends or what have you about like, hey, what's your background? You know, where are you from? Or where I work at, customers be like, oh, wow, you have really nice hair. You must have, you know, some Indian in you, or you must be from the islands. You sound like you're from the islands. So I don't know. We'll see, but I'm going to be pretty happy. I think whatever the results are, I'm going to be pretty happy and just go from there. All right, next question I have is, why did I choose 23&Me? I chose 23&Me because there was a sale. I believe I purchased this back in November or something like that. November or October, I think November. And they had a sale, and I believe I got this for $60 or $70. But of course, right after that, sale after that. But I also figured, like, why not now? This is a good time to do it. So I've been meaning to do this for a long time, and I saw the sale and I said, why not do it now? So I jumped on it. My next question is, why now? I pretty much kind of answered that already, but I've been meaning to do it for a long time, just haven't gotten around to it. But I saw this advertisement on Instagram and I decided to just jump on it. And I said, why keep waiting? Just do it. All right, next question is, what are my expectations? Oh, that's an interesting one. What are my expectations? I think I have a mixture of maybe Native American. I'm definitely think I'm from like the islands, like Jamaica or something like that, because I love the beach. I love warm weather. I hate this temperate climate. I hate winter. Right now it's snowing, so I like warm weather. I love palm trees. I love the beach. That's just me. I love it. I love the water. So this weather is not for me, but then again, just because I love a certain type of weather does not mean I'm from an island, but that's just what I think. Next question is, why is this important to me? I think like I kind of answered this already, but this is pretty straightforward. I just want to know who I am. I know that sounds pretty generic and basic, but I really just want to know who I am, where I came from, and how that happened. Some of these questions I feel like I'm going to be able to clarify or answer better after their test. I'm kind of just like real chill about it. Like I just want to know who I am and da 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 da. But I feel like the test will change my answers for sure. All right, so after I set up my account, I register my product. It says, do you have a kit in hand ready to register? Yes. Allow access to camera. I'm taking my kit. I'm opening it up and there's a barcode on the tube. Right here, there's a barcode on the tube and I simply scan that with my tablet. Next, it's gonna ask you a series of questions like, who is this test kit for? I said it's me. Just make sure all the information is correct. I accept the terms and conditions and submit. All right, so the fill line is right here. Wow, that's a lot of spit if you gotta fill it up all the way. But that shouldn't be a problem. But now I'm going to spit into the tube, close it up, and then send it off. All right, so basically to do the test, you can't eat, drink, or brush your teeth or chew gum or anything like that. It has to be like a clean slate. So that's what I did. I just woke up, did my makeup, and then was filming this video. And I filled the test tube up to the line, as you can see. You know what's kind of funny? It's just like it actually took a little bit to like get all that spit and fill it up to the line, because you think it's not that much spit, but actually it's a lot. It's a lot. You have to keep doing like to get that spit in there. All right, so now I'm just gonna simply close the funnel. It dispenses this liquid in there, and now basically I detach the tube from the bottom. Just like this, right here, and screw it on. And there we go. That's my little specimen that I'm about to send them. They send you this biohazardous bag, and basically you just slide it right in there. Just like so. And fold it over and seal the bag. There we go. Super simple and super easy. Now I'm just gonna put it back in the box. Just like this. There's a sticky part on the top I can take off and seal it up. And now it's ready to go. So all done, super easy, super simple process. I'm just gonna put it in the mailbox and now I wait. So this is just part one. I'm gonna have a part two once the results come in. It's gonna take about a month or so, give or take, probably a little bit longer. I'm gonna project that it's gonna take a little bit longer because of the weather and because of COVID, and everybody knows the snail mail is, snail mail right now. So yeah, it's just a waiting game right now. I'm so excited. I know it don't seem like it, but I'm really excited. I can't wait to see my results and I can't wait to share them with you guys. If you enjoy seeing content like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification on the bottom if you definitely want to see part two of this video. Also add me on Facebook. Follow me on Facebook, actually. Follow me on Instagram, all that jazz. The links are in the bottom. And make sure you check out some other videos that I post. I post hair tutorials, I post room tours, I post other like little tutorials for stuff. So make sure you check out my other content if you enjoy seeing that. Until next time, stay safe, stay home, and wash your hands. All right? Until next time, guys. Bye.